So welcome to online class again. So I wish you a very warm morning to my dear students. I hope you are fit and fine, and I believe that you are doing good. All right. Welcome Mohit. Mohit Zumkarti, welcome.
And so,
I would like to request you please switch on your video, okay? I need to see your face, all right? I
sir,
need
from
to see
today
your
there will be our attendance
attendance.
yes.
All every day there is your attendance.
in medical.
Since the video is recorded, that's why there is we have taken it attendance. So don't worry about that one.
Mm.
Welcome Mr. Abhijit.
No, no.
Welcome Subeksha. Welcome Dilasa. Welcome Kripa. Kripa Shrestha. Is that Kripa? So last time we discussed about, we learned some conversion, all right? We learned about the conversion related to mass. We learned about the conversion related to time. And we learned about the conversion related to distance, isn't it? Okay, that was about measurement. So do you have any problem about that one? If you have any problem, then please you can raise your hand, okay? I shall repeat.
Sir.
Otherwise, today, listen to me just a second, okay? Let me speak first, all right? If you have any
Okay, sir.
problem, then please raise your hand, okay? Otherwise, we shall start new lesson today, all right? So if you have any problem, then please raise your hand. Let me see, okay? Any confusion?
Sir,
Let me.
I was not present in the last class.
Is it? Were you not present? Who is that? Sudeep, are you?
Yes, sir.
You were not present in that last class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beside except Sudeep, other, do you need revision for the last time? Please raise your hand. If you need revision, then raise your hand. If you don't need revision, then no need raise your hand, okay? Okay, except Sudeep, all right? Okay, no one requires revision from okay, from this side. Anyone? Okay, all right. Okay, Sudeep, I shall revise, okay? I shall revise for you. Where is Sudeep? No, he's not there.
Yes, sir.
Please, Sudeep, switch on your video. I cannot see you there. Oh, you are there. Okay, all right, fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now I shall revise for you, okay? And do not write anything on the chat box, please, okay? You just focus. Okay, listen to me, students. So I shall revise for the last time and then we shall start. We shall start. Okay. And as Sir told earlier, so from today your attendance will be recorded. So please write your genuine name, okay? Do not write fake name, all right? Some of you are using other name, so do not do that, all right? So just write your genuine name, okay? And not only name, write your surname as well. Subeksha, what is the surname? Only Subeksha is
Canada.
written there. Then who knows your Subeksha Randavar? You should write your name clearly there, okay? Are you clear? Okay. Now let me share the screen. Just see, okay? So actually, okay, Sogun, please switch on your mic once.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what did you learn last time? Did you learn about conversion related to time or mass or length? Which one? What did you learn last time?
Time. Time.
Time. Okay. All right. So I'm going to repeat conversion related time for the last time. Okay. Just a second. Okay. Let me minimize this. All right. Let me hide this. Okay. So conversion related to time. Those who have learned, those who have understood, it is the golden chance to understand more clearly. Okay. Now, conversion related to time. So see there, conversion related to time. Conversion to related to time. Okay. So conversion related to time. All right. So as I told you earlier, so while you perform the conversion, so see, okay, you'll have to follow the pattern. Okay. Day, first of all, day should be converted into, day goes into hour, and again hour goes into minute, and minute goes into second. Okay. So this is the first case. So while you, if you are converting day into hour, you'll have to multiply by 24. Okay. And again, if you are converting hour into minute, you'll have to multiply by 60. And again, if you are converting minute into second, you'll have to multiply by 60. So this is one case. And again, if you go to the reverse case, second should be converted into, first of all, second converted into minute. Okay. Second should be converted into minute. And minute should be converted into hour. And finally, hour should be converted into day. So in this case, what do you have to do? Now you'll have to use division sign. Okay. So while you are converting second into minute, you'll have to divide. Okay. Division sign should be used. Divide by 60. Now again, in this case, while you are converting minute into hour, again divide by 60. Similarly, while converting hour into day, divide by 24. By 24. So you please memorize this value. Okay, now let me give you one example. example. Okay, let's say example number 1 for today. All right. The question says convert. Let's say question says convert 2 days. Let's say 1 day. Second. So this is the question, right? Convert 1 day to seconds. So this is the question. All right. Example number 1. So if this, so how to convert day into second? So as I told you earlier, you should see this one. So first of all, day should be converted into hour. Let me give color, okay, so that it will be clear for you. Day should be converted into hour, okay, and then hour should be converted into, after day into hour should be converted into minute, and then minute should be converted into second. Okay, see that. Now, so 1 day equals to, you should multiply 24, isn't it? 1 into 24, that becomes hours. What is the answer? When 1 multiplied with 24, that becomes 24, isn't it? So 24 hours. This is not the final answer. After you convert to hour again, when you multiply hour by 60, 24 into 60, that becomes minutes. Okay. What is the answer? What becomes 1? Yes, equals to 1440. This is what? Minute, isn't it? Okay, right, minutes. Now again, now the question says convert into seconds. So again, 1440, you should multiply by 60.
86,400 seconds.
Yes, good. When you multiply this, okay, when you multiply this, what answer you get? Okay, now see there, because you should be at right place. Okay, so that is 86,400. So this is how we convert. Okay, so see there, look at the pattern there. Okay, hour into minute. So first of all, day goes into hour, day goes into hour. See the color there, and hour goes into minute, and then again finally minutes goes into second.
Hello?
Okay,
Hello?
so who's that? Anyone who is speaking there? Okay, so are you clear about that one? Listen, okay, where is Sudeep?
Sir, I think this kitchen's. Yes, I am here, sir.
Do not, why are you keeping your video off, huh, Sudeep? Now listen. So listen to me. First of all, day goes into hour, hour goes into minute, minute goes into second. So listen once again. While you convert days into hour, multiply by 24. Multiply by 24. And again hour into, yes, again hour into minute, multiply by 60.
60.
And again minute into second, multiply by 60.
60.
You get the point?
Yes,
And
sir.
listen, if you are converting second into minute, divide by 60, minute into hour, divide by 60, hour into day, divide by 24. Okay, did you get the point? So
No,
this is
sir.
how you perform conversion related to time. Okay. All right. Now I declare the lesson is over. Now today we'll have to start new lesson. Okay. And that is going to. Would you please switch off your mic, Sudeep and Shogun? Please switch off your mic. Okay. All right. And from this side, please switch off your mic. All right. Please switch off your mic. Okay.
Happy.
I can still listen the sound. Who's shouting there?
Hello?
Dikshant, please switch off your mic. Dikshant.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now listen to me, all right? Okay, Dikshant, now please listen properly, okay? So as I told you earlier, we have successfully completed one lesson, okay? Now today, we are going to start new lesson, and that is going to be simple machine, all right? Simple machine. So, I would like to ask you, what is simple machine? Let me show you one thing, okay? Have you seen this one? You might have seen this one. It is called screwdriver. Okay? It is a screwdriver. And you might have seen this one also.
Yes, sir.
Scissors,
Sir,
all right?
scissors.
And you might have seen a spoon. You might have seen knife, which is used in the kitchen to cut vegetables. So these devices are called simple machine. Okay? Those devices which are very simple in structure. Those machines which are very simple in structure. Shogun, sit properly, please. Are you dancing there? Okay. So those devices which are very simple in structure and which can be used by any ordinary person. You can use this device, I can use this device, whoever wants to use the device, he or she can use this device without any difficulty, because no one needs special training to use this device. Everyone can use this device, isn't it? You can use, I can use, your mother, parents can use, even your small brother can use. Okay, to use this device, no one needs a special training because it is very simple in structure. Okay, that's why those devices which are very simple in structure, and and that makes our work easier. So by using this device, we can easily cut paper or not?
Yes,
We
sir.
can cut. By using this device, we can cut our hair. We can cut cloth. So this device or this scissors, it has made our work easier or not? That's why it is a simple machine.
Sir, it is
Let's say
very
if you
easier.
want to, yes, and let's say you want to open or not or screw. So by using this, we can easily open a screw or not. So this is also one kind of simple machine. Let's say your mom is preparing vegetable. She uses a knife to cut vegetables, okay, to smaller pieces. So that knife is one kind of simple machine. And you use a spoon to eat rice. Let's say you have only in your finger, okay, there is a cut in your finger and you are having difficulty to eat rice. So in that case, you can use a spoon. By using a spoon, you can eat not only rice, you can eat curry, lunch, snacks, everything. Okay, so that spoon is one kind of simple machine, isn't it? That's why
Sir,
those
and
devices,
also nail cutter, yeah?
yeah, of course. Let's say your nails are longer, okay, and you want to trim it. In that case, you can use nail cutter. Nail cutter is one kind of simple machine. Let's say your floor is dirty, okay, and you want to broom it you want to sweep it by the help of broom. That is one kind of simple machine, isn't it? So what I mean to say is simple machine are those devices which are very simple in structure and anybody can use that. Okay, to use simple machine, you do not have to take training. Can you drive bus? You cannot drive bus, isn't it? You cannot drive car, you cannot drive motorcycle, because motorcycle, bus and trucks, they are called the complex machine. And without special training, we cannot use complex machine. But without training, we can easily use simple machine. Okay, we
Sir,
can use this device
not,
easily
we
without
have
any
to train
difficulty. Yes, Agun, go on.
to be trained.
Sorry.
We have to be trained to drive that bus or bike.
Yes, that's why boss is a complex machine. Boss is not a simple machine. Okay, those machines which are complex, which contains many simple machines, they are called the complex machine. We are talking about simple machine. Okay,
Sir,
all right,
that razor is a complex machine.
that is a simple machine.
Sir,
Sir,
but
what is
no,
a complex?
we can't use it, no.
You can use, but you can use that one.
What is
Okay, but you have to be very
complex?
careful. Okay, we shall
Sir,
talk that little later. Okay, we shall talk that little later. Okay, first let me make you clear about simple machine. Okay,
sir,
all right. Who is
what
that?
is complex? What is mean by complex?
Who is that? Dikshant, are you talking?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, Dikshant, we shall focus that little later. Okay, first let me make you clear about simple machine. All right.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Fine. So simple machine, as I told you earlier, those devices which are very simple in structure, like this one, it is simple. Does it have any machinery parts? No, isn't it? It is very simple. What is it? Has nothing. Just a small metallic rod, and on the top there is a handle. And in this case also, we have thin metallic. It is made by the metal, so metallic sheet you can say metallic, and then on the part it has handle. It does not have any complicated machinery parts. Okay. Anyway, so these devices which are used to make our work easier, faster, safer. So these devices are called simple machine. Okay.
Sir, and
And
ruler
talking
also,
about,
yeah?
yes, of course, ruler, spoon, okay, broom, all right, and
Cow
okay,
bar also, yes. Cow
yes,
bar.
crowbar, bottle opener. Have you seen bottle
Cow
opener?
bar.
Okay, bottle opener
Sir,
to open the
bottle
cap.
opener.
Yes, bottle opener to open the cap of that bottle. Okay,
Sir, and
bottle
comb.
opener. Yes, even comb also. Yes, I'll say this
Bottle
is
cap
also,
opener.
yes, it is also a simple machine. Okay.
Sir, pulley.
Yes, pulley, knife, blade, they all are simple machines. All right. Now let us talk about complex machine. So if we talk about complex machine, you might have seen bus, isn't it? So bus contains engine. Okay, it has a very big engine, right? That engine contains many simple machines working together. That the engine of bus is made by the many simple machine, not only one simple machine. It is just one simple machine. Okay, it is one simple machine. It is one simple machine, but the engine of the bus, engine of the car, engine of the airplane, they contains many simple machines which work together. Are you clear? Dixon, are you getting
Yes,
point or
sir.
not? The engine of the bus.
Yes, sir.
Sorry? No, that is a simple machine. Now listen to me anyway. So those devices which contain many simple machines working together, they have many simple machines, but they work together to make our work easier. And we need special training to operate such kind of devices. We need skill, we need knowledge, okay? Such kind of devices are called complex machine. Example, engines of the car, engines of the bus, engines of the airplane, rocket, okay? Even our laptop, the laptop which we are using for a study purpose, that is also the one kind of complex machine, okay? All right, generator, turbine. Have you seen turbine? Have you heard about turbine? Turbine is used to produce electricity. That is also a complex machine, okay? Did you get a point?
I think
Yes,
it's
sir.
Yeah,
some
even,
mobile is a simple
yes,
machine.
mobile phone is a complex machine because it has
So
many
it's a
simple
simple
machines
machine. No,
which
it's
work
very
together.
simple to use. No.
Yeah, no, it is not simple. Mobile phone is not simple to use, okay? When your mobile phone is damaged, then can you repair by yourself?
No, sir.
Then is it a simple machine? Then
No.
how come it is a simple machine? No. And you know one thing, you do not know how to use mobile. You know only how to use YouTube. You know only how to know. Yeah, you know only how to use Facebook. You don't know the other good phone, good value of the mobile phone. You know only how to use mobile in case of entertainment, for fun is only, not more than that.
Sir, but I
Okay.
don't
Anyway, all right. Okay. Anyway, so those devices which are very complex in structure, which contains many simple machines working together, such kind of devices are called complex machine. Okay, and complex machine are also used to make our work easier. Okay, example, crane, bus, car, generator, turbine, mobile phone, laptop, rocket. These are called the complex machine. Okay, now let me share a screen. Please see on the screen. Okay, let me share a
sir.
screen. Yes, please.
Sir, is cycle simple? Complex
Yes,
machine.
cycle is a complex machine because it has many simple machines working together. Okay, it has pulley. Cycle uses pulley. Cycle uses wheel and axle. Cycle uses lever. So that's it. Sorry, which one? I cannot say about multiblock because I have not seen the structure of multiblock. Okay, I should see the structure and then only I can tell. Okay, anyway, now let me share a screen, please. See on the screen. Yes, screwdriver is a simple machine. Okay, now just see on the screen. Okay.
Sir, and bucket is also a simple machine. Yeah.
Yes, of course. Yes, it is a simple machine. Okay, see there. Okay, simple machine. Okay, now we shall learn from this slide. Okay, see there. You can see the definition there. Okay, the machine which we use in our daily life. That means we use in the kitchen. Okay, basically we use simple machine in our daily life. So while you write on a copy, you use pen or pencil, isn't it? That is also one kind of simple machine. So the machine which we use in our daily life to make our work easier, faster and safer is called simple machine. You can see the definition there. And example of the simple machine are spoon, screwdriver, bottle opener, knife, spear. You know what is spear? Spear is called, in Nepal it is called bhala. It has one end pointed, okay? Basically spear it is used in war. You might have seen war movies, okay? In that case, you can see the spear having one end pointed, very sharp. That is called spear. In Nepal it is called bhala. So these are the examples of the simple machine. Students, are you clear about that one? Okay, I hope you are clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, see some of the examples of the simple machine there. Pulley is a simple machine, and lever is another simple machine. Wheel and axle is another simple machine. Ways, you can see this, okay? It is used to split a wooden block into two pieces. This is ways. And then inclined plane, you can see this here, the plank one, this structure. Can you see this one? What like you can say angular structure there. It is
Yes, sir.
slanted one, isn't it? So by the
Sir,
help of this, yes, please.
sir, with G के पो भन्ने यो के हो यो
Ways,
sir?
ways, ways, ways. You'll have to speak in English, okay, boy? Speak in English,
Okay, sir.
right? That is ways actually. Ways is a simple machine. Have you seen knife, boy? Have you seen knife?
Yes, sir.
Yes, knife is one example of ways. Have you seen kukuri?
Yes, sir.
Kukuri is one example of ways, okay? And have you seen sword?
Yes, sir.
That is also one kind of example. That is also one example of the ways, okay? So ways is a simple machine which has one end very sharp, all right? Which has
Okay, sir.
one end very sharp, okay? Now you can see
Okay,
the
sir.
inclined plane there, and you
Sir,
can see screw.
sir,
Yes, please. Yes, go on.
will you send this?
Sorry.
So what is the work of pulley? That something like
Pulley,
that.
actually,
In the wheels. In the wheels.
yes, it is used to lift a bucket of water from the well. Have you seen a person lifting water from the well? इनारबाट
Yes, sir.
पानी निकालेको देखाएको छ? हो, इनारबाट पानी निकाल्दाखेरि जुन हामीले तान्छौँ नि, तान्दाखेरि युज हुन्छ यो पुल्ली, this one. While you rotate, while you pull the rope, this will, yes, yes, all right, yes, fine. Okay. Anyway, yes, that's great. You know that one.
What
So these are some examples.
Sir,
Okay, these are some
will you
examples of
send
the.
this in Google Class?
Yes, of course, I will send this slide. Not to worry about that. Just try to understand, okay?
I just
Now,
took a screenshot.
okay. No need to. I shall send you on Google slide. That's fine. Now see there.
Short.
Now we are going to learn about the utility of simple machine. Okay, in what way the simple machine is important? Utility means importance, all right? So why do you think simple machine is important? See there.
By that, what is the use of that inclined machine? It was there in
Okay, now
previous.
please listen to me, okay? We shall discuss that little later, okay? So utility of simple machine, that means in what way we use simple machine, or what are the importance of simple machine. See there. Number one, knife is used to cut vegetables into small pieces. So you might have seen knife. Your mom uses knife to cut vegetables into smaller pieces, okay? Not only vegetables, she also uses knife to cut fruits into smaller pieces. So that is the importance of knife. Now a spoon is used to open the lid of the tin can. So basically lid. So to open the lid of the tin can, we can use a spoon. Okay, you know what is lid? Lid means cover, okay? So to open the lid of the tin can, we can use spoon. And pulley is used to lift, or pulley is used to pull water from the well. Okay, as I told you earlier, to draw the water from the well, we can use pulley. Wheelbarrow is used to carry load from one place to another place. You know what is wheelbarrow? Have you seen wheelbarrow?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I shall show you the picture, okay? This is wheelbarrow. This is wheelbarrow. Have you seen this one? This structure? This one.
Yeah.
So
So
basically it
during
is
the
used, yes,
sir, while building home, we just
yes.
take
It is
on
used in
bricks on it.
construction purpose. Yes,
We
right.
put
So this
rocks.
is called wheelbarrow. Okay. It is used to carry. Yes, it is used to carry that construction materials like cement, sand,
Bricks or
gravel.
bricks.
Yes. You are right. Yes. It is brick. It is used to carry brick also. That's good. So it is wheelbarrow. So basically, wheelbarrow is used to. Yes, wheelbarrow is used to do what? It is used to carry load from one place to another, isn't it?
Yes,
It is
sir.
used to carry load from one place to another. Okay, so this is wheelbarrow. And then beam balance is used to measure mass. So you might have seen beam balance. It is Nepali. It is in Nepali. It is called tarazu. We have learned in measurement as well. So beam balance is one kind of simple machine. Listen, okay, listen to me. Beam balance is one kind of simple machine. Simple machine. It is used to measure mass. All right. And screw. Screw is used to join things together. So let's say, yes, please. This is screw.
How the beam balance is that simple machine?
This is beam balance. I shall show you the picture. Okay.
So we know about beam balance, but he's saying that how is it
Yes.
simple machine? No.
Yes, beam balance is a simple machine because you see here. Okay. Yeah, see there. It is a why it is a simple machine, because it is it contains the it is a simple structure, okay, and it is used to measure the mass. And measuring mass is, it is used to measure mass. By the help of this device, we can measure mass. On one end, we can put we can put what we
With
need
the
to measure. Let's say if
units,
you want to,
units.
yes, we'll have to put here the clock, okay, in the, and then on the other side we can put load and we can measure. And by seeing this balance, okay, when it is straight, when the balance is when this beam balance is in balance condition, then we can measure mass. So by the help of beam balance,
Some people, sir, but some people don't know how to use this. No.
yeah, most of the people do, it. No, I mean, to use this device, we do not need to gain the special knowledge. Everybody can use this, okay.
So it doesn't have like special technique to use it, and it doesn't get any engine to use it. So it's very
Yes, it doesn't have special. We do not need a special knowledge to use this, okay. Everybody can use this, all right. You can use this, I can use, your parents can use, everybody, the person who is illiterate, or the person who has not studied, or the person who has not, the person who has never gone to school or colleges, even this person also, they can use this device, okay. That means we do not need special skill to use this one, all right. So it is a simple machine, okay. Now see there. So you can see the utility of the simple machine there. Knife is used to cut vegetables into smaller pieces. That is one utility. That is one advantage. Spoon is used to open the lid of the tin can. Okay. Spoon is used to open the lid of the tin can. Let me show you the picture. Okay. See it. See the picture. So this is a lid. Okay. This is a spoon. Can you see the picture on the screen?
so we know about spoon, no?
Yes. This is a spoon, and can you see the lid there? Lid. Okay. It is one can. Okay. Tin can. And by the help of this spoon, we can open this lid, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So so without a spoon, it is very difficult to open this lid. If you use a finger, then you might hurt, or your nail may get hurt. Okay, so by using a spoon, we can easily open the lid of the tin can. Okay, so that is one utility of spoon, or you can say simple machine. So as I told you earlier, pulley is used to lift water from the well. Okay, by the help of pulley, we can draw, or we can lift water from the well. यिनीहरुबाट पानी निकाल्नको लागि है. And then wheelbarrow is used to carry load, constructing material from one place to another place.
So
Beam
I have
balance.
a query.
Just a second. Let me complete. Okay.
Okay.
Beam balance is used to measure mass, as I told you earlier. And screw. This is called screw. Let me show you the picture. Okay. Screw. So this is a screw. You might have seen this one. Have you seen this one? Okay, these are screws. Okay, so these screws are used to, yes, screws are used in every machinery parts. Okay, it is these screws are used to make engines. These screws are used to make machines. That's why these screws are very much important. Okay, so that is. And what does the screw do? Screw joins two objects together. It helps to join, or it helps to fix two objects together. Okay, so these are the common importance of simple machine. So do you have any query? Now let me go to the screen. Any query, students?
No, sir.
One.
10th. Yes, tell me.
So that chopstick is a complex machine or a simple machine?
It is a simple machine. Does it have any machinery part?
So
It
for
is just a rod,
starting,
isn't it?
no.
But we have to
Have a skill to use it.
Oh, you can use it.
Sir,
Use it carefully, you can
It's
easily use it.
difficult.
Because
It's
we
not
have the
that
habit of, no, actually, you know what? Basically, in our Nepali system, in our culture, we do not use chopstick. Or if you go to China, or if you go to you can say Korea, Japanese people, okay, they use chopstick to eat rice. Even rice also they use chopstick to use rice. Can we use rice by using chopstick? No. But when you
no.
use it for some time, it is easy for us. No need to worry about that one. Anyway, so in today's classroom, we learned about simple machine. We learned about complex machine, isn't it?
Yes,
We
sir.
learned about the importance of simple machine, right? That importance means utility. So these are the things we learned in our classroom. So do not write anything on the chat box, please. Okay.
I'm not ready.
All right. Now let me. Okay, Dikshan, please switch. Cesar, why Cesar name his video is off? And Dilasa also. Dilasa,
Yes, sir.
why your video is off?
Sir,
I was doing something. No, I was putting the pens there. So
You cannot, while you are in the classroom, you cannot do, okay? You cannot engage in other stuffs. You have to focus on studies only, okay?
okay, sir.
And boy up.